sides, but you won't take away my pride. No, not this time. Not this time. How do we get here when I used to know you so well? How do we get here when I think I know? Truth is hiding in your eyes, and it's hanging on your tongue, just boiling in my blood. But you think that I can't see what kind of man that you are. If you're a man at all, well, I will figure this one out.